Have you ever changed a tire in a Corvette? Well, now's the time to learn. Now, the most important step is that you're familiar with the spare tire carrier and its 3/4 inch bolt. Once you have that, and that you have lubed this bolt in the past, the threads get sticky, they get bad, and you need to be able to twist this thing by hand unless you've got the 3/4 inch bolt. So now you simply slide under your car, push up with your knees, whatever's comfortable. You're pushing up, and then you're finding this nut, and think about how lefty-loosey he is. So you might not be using your dominant hand. Now, your knees are going to start to hurt. I'm spinning it the wrong way. So once you spin it far enough, you just move it to your right. Down comes the spare tire. Now I took my spare tire down. I just put it up. But I was like, hey, dummy, you don't have a jack. So I'm making sure I have a jack and a way to change the tire. Let's all be smart. So I'm gonna slip it right up in here inside the wheel with some padding. There's plenty of room. It'll be worth its weight in gold. And I'm going to wrap it in a couple rags, some cardboard, whatever. And then simply push this back up. Find the nut, the bolt hang down thing. Put it in here. Once you get it all the way up there, watch out for the edges. You might have to push this bracket around the edge. And then tighten this nut. Tighten this bolt. Because you want it to be nice and snug. But you want to have a little play, so when you do lift it with your knees, you got some lift. Because that way, it's going to be fine. Someday you'll thank yourself, because you won't be as prepared as you are right now in the test fit. It's time to take a nap.